Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show total product quantity count in cart and checkout page using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and we are going to show total product quantity count in your order section. Now go to cart page and also we are going to display product quantity total count in cart total section. In cart page, now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find all code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to display product quantity count in cart page and then you see text, so you can add text according to your requirement and then scroll down. By using this code we are going to display product quantity count in checkout page. Also you see text, if you want you can add text according to your requirement and then scroll down. You see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. Now you see product quantity 7. Now increase product quantity and then click on update. And then you see product quantity 8. Now go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now you see product quantity 8 in checkout page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.